Hello guys, me Nihar, and today we are going to talk about Ec2 security key pair. What is the security key pairs in Ec2 that will be talking in today's tutorial. Let's go to start it. So guys, you have to know after the login the similar page will be appear in your computer. In here you can be see the instance. If you don't know how to get the instance, just click the service and inside the computer you can be see in here Ec2. Just click in this Ec2, you will got similar page. Right now I am in here. Here is the instance. Just click the instance. Then after you will be find this accurate page. Then where is our public key and the private key? Where is our key pair? You have to create. You have to launch an instance to get this key pair. Let's move it to get the key pair. Click the launch instance. Then you will got the Amazon machine image. Just select it, first one. And again we will be go the same process that's before we created the Ec2 instance. The same process you will be going here. Here I am going to write quick launch, so review and the launch. Then after again I am going to click this launch. Once we click the launch, that time we have the key pair. We have to select the key pair. So create a new key pair. Then time you will be write the name of the key pair. Once you write the key pair, then after you have to download and launch it. Then what is the specific? There is the two type of pair of key. One is public key and another one is private key. That will be talk about what the essential of these key pairs. Let's go to in here. So our discussion is Ec2 security key pair. One is a public key and another one is a private key. What will be happen when Ec2 user public key cryptography for protecting the login credential? Your Ec2 instance is protected for login credential for the private key and the public key. But in the case public key is stored in Ec2 instance, but for private key is stored by the customer. So only you remember Ec2 security key pair is the public cryptography protecting for login credential. It's contain the two type. One is public key, another one is private key. The public key is stored in Ec2 instance, but the private key is stored by you. Okay guys, this is the simple video about the public key and private key. If you like it, just subscribe me. See you in the next tutorial video. Bye bye.